Minerals are one of the vital nutrients that are involved in many body functions to keep us healthy. Insufficient intake of essential minerals can often lead to several health problems. For this very purpose, Earth for Health introduced mineral balance supplements consisting of only three wide known natural ingredients: the bladderwrack, sea moss, and burdock root, which is widely harvested by the professionals from a stable growing organic environment, quality assured, and then thoughtfully encased it in a capsule form that provides a complete source of all required 102 minerals to the body. By adding this to your diet, these three ingredients deliver numerous natural health benefits, such as aiding in digestion, weight management, detoxification, balancing hormones, reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and much more. Earth for Health is an online-based firm that majorly focuses on improving one's quality of life by producing cost-efficient, effective, well-researched natural medicinal products for everyone.